World-renowned track and field coach at MVP Track Club, Stephen Francis, while using similar phrasing to describe the performances of world champ silver medalist Tina Clayton and Clayton Thompson, seems to have rated one performance over the other. Francis also did not mince words regarding what he considers the poor organization of the ongoing championships.
Stephen Francis is seemingly pleased with the performance of 100 meters silver medalist Tina Clayton. Clayton ran a personal best of 10.76 seconds to finish second behind American Melissa Jefferson Wooden. Speaking to a reporter in Tokyo, Jermaine Brown, Francis says Clayton hit certain targets.
Well, we have always wanted to see athletes surpass or at least equal what they had done at the trials, run season best at this meet or PBs, and she did that. So it was well done to her.
However, when asked about silver medalist on the men's side, Clayton Thompson, who clocked a world-leading 9.75 seconds to win at the national championship in June, Francis gave an almost identical answer. However, it hinted at disappointment. Thompson clocked 9.82 seconds to finish behind compatriot Oblique Civil, who won in a personal best 9.77 seconds.
As I said, when you surpass your season's best and so on, it is what makes me think you've done a good job. It's not that important for me where you place, but more important that did you do the best that you could this year, and so that's all I'll say.
Meanwhile, Francis was less than pleased with World Athletics and their organization of the championships.
I find it hard to believe that this is really the situation that World Athletics has brought the best athletes in our sport to try to navigate and survive and to perform at a high level. It has been not even close to what the top athletes are accustomed to, competing all over the world. Usually the World Championships is not the same, but it is close. You have to deal with the extra numbers of people and so on, but this one is really, really bad.
Additionally, he says, logistics have also been a nightmare.
But I do know everybody is at one hotel. And what that means is that transportation is a huge nightmare. Yesterday, for example, I had to wait almost an hour in a line at the hotel trying to get a bus to the warm-up area. Distances to the stadium. The distance from the stadium to the stadium from the warm-up track. It was so bad that the athletes were not able to go back to the warm-up area after running the semi-finals of the hurdles or the short sprints.
Francis says from they arrived in Tokyo, things have been going awry.
The Japanese hosts have tried to organize it as best as they can given the situation, but I don't believe that this thing should have been approved by World Athletics. I mean, from the moment you got here, if you got here on a flight at 7, you had to wait until 3 or 4 p.m. to get out. No, it's those areas of the meet is not befitting the top meet for the year for World Athletics.
The championships run until Sunday, September 21. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.